Cap 26 here, just Experience and Hobbies. You've noticed that I've had this black magnetic Velcro on my hand, a wrist brace. I have a problem with a bone in here in the wrist I was born with, and sometimes it goes out of whack and it's very painful. So what I do, and a lot of people don't explain this to you when you get to your doctor don't explain when you get your pads here, your Lidocaine pads. Cut it open, and then you take the pad. Make believe this is the pad. You fold it. You take the strip off. You fold it over like that. Okay. Then you fold it over again. You put the medication side down on the wound of where it's painful and achy. Okay, and that concentrates the medicine to the area. All right, and then I wrap it with the brace. Okay, and by doing that, I have no pain now. There. Okay. This condition comes and goes, so sometimes I'll just take it off and it'll be fine for 2 weeks, 3 weeks at a time. But with these Lidocaine patches, dispose of them in the garbage. Do not have them laying around the package. The thing you put on your wrist, the pad, you take it off after a day or so, or a day, put it in the garbage. Wash your hands. Do not touch your pets or let your pets chew on this. It's poisonous to pets, okay? And maybe that's my main point of the whole video is, protect your pets before you protect yourself. So it goes twofold. But it will help. It will help the pain, and if you have muscle or bone pain, if you double it up like that. So thank you for watching, girls and guys. I hope you have a good day and a good evening. And, well, it's getting towards evening now. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.